Here we have the LS1 engine, and we're going to show you a quick video on how to fit a flange liner. Alright, we're going to set this block up and dial it in and get it all ready to start a boring cycle. We just have to set it up square. Alright, we're going to bring out the probe and we're going to set up the bore so the CNC knows where the bore is for the boring cycle. So you just get approximately in the middle of the bore. Plug in the information into the machine and it'll go and touch on 4 sides, finding the exact center point. Alright, we've just set the cutter on the big Kaiser boring bar so we can run our first cut. Now we'll be taking out approximately 1 millimeter at a time until we get to our finished size. We're aiming at 2 thou interference. And yeah, we'll fire her up and see how she goes. Okay, this just pours down 5 mil and gives us a little area to measure on a test cut, and then we'll keep it going from there. We'll just check it out. The original line is actually broken out of the block now. So this is what it looks like. These liners are just cast into these blocks, and this is what the back of it looks like. So we have to bore a lot further out now to get rid of all this, so it's got a nice surface for the new sleeve to go in. Right, I'm just going to try and chisel the top section of this sleeve out just so we can get rid of the cast iron, and we can swap to an alloy tip and speed this thing up a little and get cutting faster. Alright, we've just chiseled that out, so that's the top section of the liner. Now this is what we're left with. It's just all alloy in there now. And now we'll set our final sizes and pour it out to the last size. Okay, we've poured out the block ready for the interference on the sleeve. Now it's up to the stage where we've got to cut this recess into the block to take the flange on the liner. So I'll set another program using an M mill, and we're going to cut around the top there and give this flange somewhere to sit. Now this stops the sleeve from falling out the bottom and holds it into position when it's final machined. Alright, we're just going to check that the sleeve fits in. It's a nice fit on the flange. Which it is. Now we're up to the stage where we're ready to set it up in the press and press this liner in. Okay, we're going to put a tiny little chamfer down on the recess ledge there, just so when the sleeve goes in, there's no way of it getting held up or sitting any higher than it should. Just a 10 power chamfer. Okay, now the block's coming out of the machine. Okay, here's the bore, all finished, ready for the sleeve. It's a perfect cleanup. Now we're just going to put a bit of heat into it and use the press and press the liner in, and that'll be it. Alright, here's the finished product. This is the line that we've just fitted. It's all ready to go. This particular customer has his own machine to surface it and finish this bore to size. So from here, they'll just machine this flat with the surface, finish the bore to the size they want, and it's ready to go again. Alright, if you want to see any more videos of engine machining or any work like this, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.